Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the camera not working app for iPhone. Right, so first let's open the OmeTV, and as you can see, the camera is not working. So no worries, here's how to fix it. First, go back to your home screen and open settings. Now scroll down and tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Next, search for OmeTV in the list, tap on it, and click offload app. And after that, make sure your OmeTV app is updated to the latest version. Now go back, scroll down, and tap privacy and security. Scroll down again and tap camera. Find OmeTV in the list and make sure the camera is turned on for it. Alright, now open the OmeTV app again and your camera should be working. If it's still not working, try deleting the app, reinstalling it, and you can also try using the OmeTV website instead of the app. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.